Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now, check the cable and port and swap to a spare cable to eliminate a broken lead. Next, inspect power, batteries, charging contacts, or the wired switch. Replace batteries if low. Then, on your computer, make sure Bluetooth is enabled and airplane mode is off. Open devices to see if the keyboard appears. Once done, restart the keyboard and your PC to force a fresh negotiation. This often clears transient connection glitches so you can proceed. Now you handle the core fixes. Open Device Manager and locate keyboard and Bluetooth adapters. Update drivers. If updates fail, uninstall and reboot so Windows reinstalls them. Then adjust power options. Disable USB selective suspend and turn off Bluetooth power saving and adapter properties because the system can drop devices to save energy. Finally, check the keyboard manufacturer's firmware utility and apply any firmware updates. Firmware resolves protocol bugs. Once these steps complete, reconnect and test stability before moving to finish steps. You finish by testing and isolating. Pair freshly after a factory reset on the keyboard, then use it normally for 24 to 48 hours to confirm stability. If problems persist, try the keyboard with another computer or a different USB Bluetooth dongle to tell whether the keyboard or host is at fault. Make sure distance and interference are minimal during tests. One key troubleshooting tip: swap the host's USB port or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.